Okay, so this would be the second part of the series of solving out the geometric theorems using here to solve out and find the missing values. Now here we are done with the A, the previous one. Now let's go for the B then. Now looking out for the figure here, we have the vertical angle theorem and the triangle congruency then. So now here we have for the B, if you can see out then, here in the figure. So we're going to have for the segments of line segment of DG and yeah, you can see out DG here and the diameter because they passes through the center of O here. So this means OD, yeah, OD is equals to OG and equals to OE and equals to OF. So these are the all the radii in the circle. So next one we have the vertical angles here. So vertical angles that we have are the angles of D, OE, and so this one at vertical angles then. So next one here we have the G, O, and F then. Now are equal. So therefore we can write it down then the triangles that we have for D, O, E is simply congruent to the triangles of G, O, F. So here we can see how it is a SAS then corresponded. Now here we have for, if you can look out further for that one, we have the DE and the GF. Okay. So they can see out here that DE and GF is simply equal. So given that, if you look further for that one, then is that GF, looking out for the given, that says that GF is 12M. That means DE also means equals to, yeah, DE is equals to 12M then. So that is how we just find out the the answer for the second one for the B. Using out the theorems for those those we have learned so far. Okay, that would be here for the second one